Jai Hind everyone. My name is Cadet Chirag Parmar from One Gujarat Composite Technical Company. I am from Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. Today I am going to talk about solar energy. India has a great potential to generate electricity from solar energy, and our country is on course to emerge as a solar energy hub. Going solar in itself is one of the biggest investment opportunity you grab in your life. The primary objective for deploying renewable energy in India is to advance economic development, improve energy security, improve access to energy, and mitigate climate change. Except solar energy, nowadays we generate electricity from petrol, diesel, coal, thermal power plants, etc. But they are non-renewable energy sources, and in future they are going to be end at some point. But we know that solar energy is renewable energy, and by using solar energy we can be a part of Go Green initiative program of government. In our country, solar panel has three different criteria from which we can produce electricity. First for agriculture, second for industrial and commercial, and third for residential. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy MNRE has planned a detailed trajectory so as to meet the target of 100 gigawatt by 2022 from solar energy. From this 100 gigawatt target, Government of India has given 8024 megawatt target to Gujarat, and from rooftop segment the target is 3200 megawatt. So, what is this solar technology? Let me tell you. Solar technology is known from the material used in solar panel. There are two types of solar panels. First, silicon based solar panel, and second, thin film solar panel. Silicon based solar panel is mostly used solar panel, and its efficiency is 15 to 18 percentage, and it lasts for 25 years. After 25 years its efficiency will decrease a little bit, but it will not stop generating electricity. Now there are two types of solar system: on grid or grid connected, and off grid. On grid means your solar system is tied to your local utilities grid, and being grid tied is beneficial because you don't have to buy an expensive battery backup system to store any excess energy. And being off grid means you are not connected in any way to your grid's power system or utility service, and by using grid connected system you can sell your electricity to electric company, and they will give you 2.25 rupees per unit. Now after install solar system, government will provide you subsidy. State subsidy of 40 percentage shall be available for solar rooftop system up to 3 kilowatt, and 20 percentage for solar rooftop system beyond 3 kilowatt up to 10 kilowatt. Let's know about the criteria of subsidy. First, solar panels should be owned by you. Second, the house in which you are going to install solar panels should be owned by you. Third, solar panels should be installed in that house in which you are going to use it. Fourth, solar panels should be made in India. Fifth, solar panels should be new. Sixth, you should not have availed any other kind of benefits from these solar panels from central government. Go only for MNRE approved tier 1 solar panels. So I think that's all for it. Thank you.